Experiment 28. It ain't easy being cheesy. Tools needed from kit: 2 beakers, 1 test tube, tools needed from home, and a small strainer or some cheesecloth. You'll also need milk and vinegar. Directions: measure 40 ml of milk into your beaker. Next, heat the milk in the microwave for 40 seconds to get the milk hot enough. Try to watch the milk so it does not boil. Carefully remove the jar from the microwave. Use an oven mitt or cloth so that you do not burn your hands. Add 10 ml of vinegar or lemon juice into your beaker and stir well. As soon as the clumps start to form, strain it through the strainer or your cheesecloth. Your final product should look like this.